Good morning. Last class we had discussed about what is a dipole. Dipole is the one, it contains two charges, positive and negative, separated by a distance 2L. O is the center of the charge, right? And dipole, what is dipole moment? Dipole moment is equal to the product of magnitude of the charge, that is magnitude of the charge, and distance between the two charge. And it is a scalar quantity. Charge being a scalar quantity, it is a vector quantity. Distance and which direction of the dipole moment is always from what? Negative to positive. Remember, dipole moment is a vector quantity from negative to positive, right? This is 1 mark. The definition is 1 mark. What is a dipole? 1 mark. Dipole is what? The two positive and negative charges are separated by a distance, certain small distance d. And also what we have done, a short review will do it up. What is suppose a dipole? This is another 5 mark questions also I have done. Last time I am revising it. A dipole plus q and minus q to the dipole of length 2L. It is kept in a uniform electric field, where E is the uniform electric field, which is inclined at an angle theta. This theta is right. What will happen? It experiences a force. What is the force? The force on this electric field is what? Force per unit charge. The force is equal to charge into E, cross multiply. Therefore, force at A, this point, say A, is equal to QE along the direction of the force. This is at point B. Force is what? F is equal to minus Q E. Two equal and opposite non-collinear force, because they are not the same line. See, from here drop a perpendicular distance A, B, C. Now this is theta, therefore this is theta. Then what I do is, here consider a electrical dipole contains plus q, minus q and plus q with a length 2L kept in a uniform electric field making an angle theta with the direction of the electric field. We have done this. Then what will happen? Each pole is acted upon with the force QE. Both are equal in magnitude and opposite direction. It is forming a couple rotational effect. Therefore, torque is a vector quantity. It is a moment of couple. This is also called moment of a force. That is, moment of a force means rotating ability of the force. We have done is also called couple acting on that. Couple acting on the dipole. The couple is equal to measured by what? Product of force into perpendicular distance. What is the perpendicular distance in this case? This is a perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. This perpendicular distance. Force is acting at A. Perpendicular that AC. Here what will write? This is 2L. This is theta. This is 2L. Force into perpendicular distance. Here also force. Force into perpendicular. Force into perpendicular distance. Anyway, you can do it. Then what is sine theta? Sine theta from this triangle A, B, and sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, DL, the perpendicular distance, is equal to 2L sine theta. You substitute here. Force is equal to QE. That one I will do it. Therefore, torque is equal to magnitude of moment of the force. Force is equal to QE into perpendicular distance 2L sine theta. That is equal to UE. You separately write it, Q into 2L into sine theta. The product of charge and length. The distance between the charges is equal to dipole moment, magnitude of dipole moment, sine theta. Right? Then normal to the plane. Therefore, this is also equal to P cross E This is vector quantity. See, what is P? P is always what? This is negative, this is positive. P is the vector. See, this is the vector in this direction. Electric field is also this direction, E. Theta is an angle. Then what will happen? Then rotate in this direction, what will happen? It is rotating, is it not? Right, rotating in this direction. Therefore, P cross C. P cross C is what? Inside the paper. That means it goes inside. Torque is inside the paper, right? Therefore, this is clockwise, is it not? Clockwise is inside, into. Clockwise is inside. Therefore, this is the vector notation. Better. For they may ask you for 3 marks. Description and all these things 1 mark. Description 1 mark. Then writing this alone 1 mark. And final expression 1 mark. Or if you better you write it, all these things, it will add your value. And for 5 marks they may ask you, suppose this is electric field and dipole moment is P is also in the same direction. This is negative and positive. Theta equal to 0. That means what? If the dipole is kept along it is in the uniform field along the direction, what will happen? Here what? Plus this is minus, plus Q and minus Q. Equal and opposite forces acting. QF, QE here also. F is equal to QE. This is what? Stable equilibrium. And if I keep it like this, what will happen? Electric field is this direction. The dipole kept perpendicular. What will happen? The dipole force is equal to P, what is that? QE, here also QE. And theta is 90. Sin 90 is equal to what? Sin 0, 0. Sin 0, 0. The torque is also equal to 0. Here sin 90 is equal to 1. That is the maximum value. Therefore, maximum torque is equal to EP. Right, sometime what? Torque is equal to torque maximum sin theta, you can write it. That is also possible. Then case 3. Case 3 is what? If theta is equal to 180, what does it mean? That means the electric field is this direction, but dipole I am keeping it positive charge here minus negative charge here. That means the force acting this direction, negative side this direction, positive is that direction, equal and opposite forces acting. It is in the stable, it is not stable equilibrium. Even slight, now it is equilibrium because sin 180 is equal to what? 0, right? Angle between that E and this direction is E, this is F, right? Or dipole moment is this direction. Dipole moment is this direction, negative to positive. Electric field in the direction. Theta is 180. Cos sin 180 is 0. Slightly tilt also, what happens? It will reverse it. It gets reversed. Therefore, it is unstable equilibrium. Under these conditions, we have done all the 3. For 5 marks, they may ask you, right? Next, I said I am going to start that electric field along the axial line and equatorial line. Some of the questions you can ask. If an electric dipole is placed parallel to the uniform electric field, what will happen? Dipole moment is like this, is it not? Plus Q and minus Q. Dipole moment is this one. Theta is equal to 0. Then what will happen? Dipole, therefore, what is the magnitude of the torque? Magnitude of the torque is equal to 0. What is the net force on the dipole in a uniform manner? What is the net force? Placed in the net force. This one is positive and negative. The net force is what? 0. Net force is always 0. See, remember this. This is P. This is E. Theta. Right? If I write like this, what is A cross B? You know what A cross B is equal to? This is A, this is B. A cross B is equal to, is a vector perpendicular to both, right? Therefore what? E cross P. This is in this direction, right? But P cross C is what? P cross C is downward direction. That is torque. It will be in the downward direction inside This is outside the paper, upward. Therefore, these are the things you have to remember. When you the dipole torque is maximum. When it is maximum, when theta is equal to 90 degree, torque will be maximum. What is the maximum value? E and P. That is the E and P. What is the unit of torque? Force into perpendicular. Force is what? Newton meter. Unit of. Which orientation of the dipole momentum uniform? In a uniform magnetic field, which orientation of the dipole will be stable or unstable? Zero position. That means this is a stable orientation. Stable orientation. And if the direction of the field in this direction and minus q is this direction, plus q is in here, in opposite, then what? It is unstable. It is unstable. And dipole moment is what? Anti-parallel. This is also called what? Anti-parallel. Right? When anti-parallel. Here it is parallel. When the dipole is what? Parallel, you have stable. If the dipole is anti-parallel to the direction of the field, it is unstable. These are the all possibilities you explore. Sometimes they may ask, write an expression for the torque acting in a acting on an electric dipole placed in a uniform field. That is, torque is given by vector form, or magnitude of the torque is equal to P E sin theta, where this is the magnitude of the torque and P is the dipole moment. It is the product of charge and distance between the charge. Like this you can write it, right? Minus P minus Q and plus Q. This is 2L, distance between the charge, and direction of the magnetic moment is from negative to positive. Negative pole to positive pole you can call, right? Along the direction, this direction. And theta is what? What is theta? Theta is what? Angle between. This is an electric field. This is the orientation. This is negative and positive. Theta is the angle between the dipole moment and the electric field. Dipole moment move from negative to positive. Remember all these things. Okay. Next, coming back to surface charge density, I'll tell you what is surface charge density. That we'll do a bit later when I do Gauss theorem. Now, see, there is another important question. Several times they will ask you this. Obtain an expression for the electric field due to dipole along the axial line. See, this is the dipole minus Q and plus Q. O is the center of the dipole. L is the semi length or length of the dipole, that is 2L, right? Now a line passes through the axis of the dipole is called axial line. Now consider a point, consider a dipole, that is say AB. Consider a dipole AB placed producing an electric field, because positive it produces an electric field, and let P is some point, the point which is at a distance of R from the center of the dipole. O is the center of the dipole. Let P is the point. Now what actually happens is, this positive charge is very closer. Therefore, what is the electric field due to positive charge plus Q here in this direction along AP. This is very more larger the distance. What is the distance? AP. It's a very closer distance. Then what is the electric field? Suppose electric field due to negative charge at this point, smaller, that is EQ minus This is smaller because they are far off distance, is it not? This far off distance. Therefore, at this particular point, electric field or intensity at P. Now see how to consider a point P. Consider a point P at a distance of R from the center of the dipole. That means consider a point P at a distance R from the center of the dipole. Therefore, electric intensity at P due to charge at A. What is the charge? That is electric charge is not plus Q is not. What is electric field? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge into distance. What is that? AP whole square, right? That is, what is AP? AP you can easily tell here, from here to here R, is it not? I'll tell you. R is L plus AP. Therefore, what is AP? R minus L. Can you follow? Similar AP. That means R is what? L plus AP is equal to R. Therefore, what? AP is equal to just cross. Similarly, what is BP? What is BP? BP is what? L plus R. BP is equal to L plus R. BP. Therefore, what you observe from this? 1 by, let me call 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to K. K times Q by AP is what? AP is what? R minus L whole square. Or I can keep it like this only, AP square. This is what? Along AP. They are away from AP. Similarly, electric field at P due to charge at B. Negative, therefore, is an attraction, but still far off. Now, therefore, it is, this vector is bigger, this vector is smaller. Therefore, electric field due to negative charge is equal to same 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge by BP square. BP square. Along PB. Along PB. See the direction along PB. Therefore, the net or resultant or total electric field at P, net or resultant field at P is equal to electric field. See, this is positive direction, E plus Q, and this is minus E minus Q. One is that direction, this is in this direction. Therefore, I'll write this also, I'll write K. Therefore, K, this I'll write K, Q by AP square minus, this is K, Q, BP square. Now, I will be taking KQ outside the bracket, 1 by AP square by 1 by BP square. Now, hereafter it is a mathematics. What is AP square? That is K Q 1 by R minus L the whole square minus 1 by R plus L the whole square. R plus L the whole square. Now, this is the resultant field. Then what? EP is equal to KQ, take the LCM, R minus L whole square, R plus L the whole square. Now both these get cancelled. You will get what? R plus L the whole square. You write this minus sign. This minus sign is again what? These both get cancelled. R minus L the whole square. Now here you have to be very, very careful in expanding because you are expanding along the minus sign. Therefore, KQ A plus B whole square, first number square plus second number square plus 2 into first number into second number. A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here put minus, put a flower bracket here. Here everybody go wrong. Here only everybody do the mistake here, this particular point. Again what? First number square plus second number square minus 2 into first number into second number. Here what? Look here. A square B square is equal to AB the whole square. Correct? Understood? Remember this. Therefore what I write? R minus L, R plus L the whole square I am writing. There is a formula A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? Formula. A square minus B square, is it not? That I am applying here. Therefore KQ R square plus L square plus 2RL minus R square minus L square plus 2RL divided by R square minus L square the whole square. This point again I am telling you to see this. You have done this much. This simplification again I will do from here. Some students are finding it difficult again. They are asking. I will start. Here you see. Suppose you are getting this one. Electric field. How fast we can do it. See, you have done this, right? Up to this you understood. AP. What is AP? AP is R minus L whole square. BP is what? R plus R whole square. Then you know how to take the LCM here. Right? This we have done. Then you have to expand it very carefully because against the bracket. Understood? Therefore, A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus, again what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Then if you remove the bracket, this is minus minus comes, plus it becomes, then again these two get cancelled. You are getting this one. Understood? Therefore, electric E axial line is equal to KQ, what do you get? 2RL plus 2RL by R square minus L square the whole square. Now 2RL plus 2RL 4RL or 2 into 2L into R, you can write it. 2 into 2L into R, I am rearranging it. I am going to put in the numerator itself. Therefore, axial line is equal to KQ 2 into 2L R by R square minus L square whole square. Right? Again rearrange it properly. K is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. I have done here. Here 2 you put it here. 2 you put it here. R also you keep it somewhere here. R. Here charge into distance between the charge 2L. Q into 2L, this much portion. Q into 2L divided by what? R square minus L square whole square. This quantity is what? Q into 2L. Charge into, that means magnitude of the charge, and 2L is equal to dipole moment, is it not? Dipole moment. Therefore, here this is dipole moment P. Therefore, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 P R divided by R square minus L square whole square. This is the axial line. Understood? Now, if R is greater than L, say suppose this is 10, this is say 1 or 0.1, 10 square is what? 100. This 0.1 square means 0.001, 0.01 whole square. Therefore, this is negligible to compare, 1000 times bigger than this. Therefore, this can be negligible. If R is greater than R, then E axial line is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by what? R. Here R to the power of 4 get cancelled, this become R cube. Therefore, E axial line is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 2p by R square, R cube. Therefore, they may ask you for this is up to this 1 mark, they'll ask you, right? Up to this 1 mark, electric field. If you write the diagram and arrow, everything, then again what? Net field. And if you write up to the expression here, if you stuck up also is enough, 2 marks you will get. And this entire simplification up to this, the entire simplification, 2 marks they'll ask. But this is for 5 marks if they ask, what if R is greater than R? They may ask you that way also. There are vector form and all I will discuss in the level 2. This is level 1 we are doing it, right? Okay. See here again the expression for electric field at equatorial line field at the point on the equatorial line on the dipole. See, this is a dipole, right? A and B. Now here this is negative charge, this is positive charge. All right. Now this is the point O is the midpoint of the dipole, and L is the 2L is the 2L is the distance between the dipole. 2L is the distance. Now along the what is that? What is meant by equatorial plane? It is a perpendicular bisector. You take it is a perpendicular bisector passing through the midpoint of the line joining the two poles, right? Negative charge to positive. This is the line joining the negative to positive charge, right? This is called equatorial plane. This is called equatorial plane or equatorial point. Now I consider a dipole, right? You want to keep minus here or there, anywhere you can keep it, okay? Therefore, or better I will keep positive here, negative here, let us see, right? Negative, what is the direction of dipole? This is the direction from negative to positive to be. I'll tell you very easy, right? Let P be a point. Let P be a point at a distance of what? R. At a distance of R. Okay? From the dipole. Right? Now, what is electric field? See, just join this. Okay? This is L, I'll write it. Now this is, I'll write X, I'll write it. This is X. This distance is X. This distance also X. For convenient. This is 90 degree. Now what is electric field? See, at this point, what is electric field at this point due to positive charge along this direction. This is electric field due to positive charge away from AP. This is away from AP. Positive repel. And what is electric field at P due to negative charge? It is towards, that is E towards this direction. Understood? Now both are equal in direction because X is same. Here, right, how to write? Consider a dipole producing electric field at P at a distance of R from the from the center of dipole. This sentence you know how to write it. Dipole r is the distance. Then the electric field due to P. Electric field at P due to the plus charge, plus Q is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge plus charge into which distance? What is this? AP. AP whole square. But here what? AP equal to BP. Both are equal to X. For AP equal to BP is equal to X. AP and BP are equal. Okay. Here what? I'll write K for my convenient. Q by X square along AP. Along AP. Similarly, electric field due to negative charge at P is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by PB. PB the whole square. That is what? K Q magnitude of the charge and what? PB is what? X square, right? Along PB, right? PB. You know what? AP equal to PB. Both are equal. Therefore, the magnitude will be same. Then what about the direction? What is the resultant field? The resultant field is what? Complete the parallelogram. Complete the parallelogram. Now this is the resultant field. This is E resultant field. E resultant. Understood? This one. That is E resultant field. Now how to calculate the resultant field? That's important. Now from similar triangle, see it is not looking similar in that way, but I can take similar triangle. There are two methods of solving. Either, okay, you can do from similar triangle, you can do this. From similar triangle, what is that here? APB, APB and PQPRS. PRS from similar triangle you can take. Now you want electric field. This no, this is you want this. That means this base divided by this base. That is PS divided by AB equal to PS divided by AB equal to, you have taken small, PS divided by AB equal to PR is equal to AQ, AP. Therefore, what is PS? PS is what? Resultant electric field due to these two. What is AB? AB from AB. AB is what? 2L. What is AB? AB is what? 2L is equal to PR. PR is what? EQ by AP. What is that AP? AP is what? X. Correct. That means resultant field. Therefore, cross multiply. ER is equal to 2L by X EQ. That is equal to 2L by X EQ. What is EQ? You have done EQ. EQ is equal to what? KQ X square, right? KQ X square. Therefore, you know Q into 2L into Q. You know this. Charge into 2L. Therefore, ER is equal to K times charge into 2L divided by X cube. Q into 2L is what? Dipole moment, correct? It's called dipole moment. Therefore, ER is equal to, K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q into 2L is what? Dipole moment. That is P is equal to what? Charge into 2L, right? Into x cube. See from this triangle, see one thing you have to remember here. Here, what do you observe from this triangle? From this right angle triangle. If you take a right angle triangle, or here also anything, what do you get? Pythagoras theorem. This is 90 degrees, therefore, x square is equal to r square plus l square. R square plus L square. Therefore, x is equal to square root of r square plus L square. Or x is also equal to what? R square plus L square to the power of half. X cube is what? Cube is what? R square plus L square 3 by 2. Right. Therefore, you substitute this here. What you get? ER is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square plus L square 3 by 2. Then you follow. See, some of you are accustomed in some other method, that also I will try. Okay. Therefore, electric field along the equatorial line is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. The P magnetic moment, what is that? Dipole moment. This is called dipole moment divided by R square plus L square by 3 by 2. As usual, what? Such that P is equal to product of charge into distance between the charges. Then what? If R is greater than L, R square is very much greater than L square. This can be neglected, and only this particular point T square, you neglect, this becomes 0. 3 by 2. This is also equal to R square. 3 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. R cube. Therefore, equatorial line, electric field due to the equatorial line is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R cube. And which direction, that is important. Look, you have to be, P is this direction, but this is opposite. That means, look, this is minus Q, this is plus Q. Electric field is this direction. What is it? Dipole moment is this direction. Whereas electric field is along the equatorial is in this direction. This is R. Therefore, if this is opposite to parallel, they are parallel but opposite direction. Therefore, if dipole moment is this direction, if R is the distance, electric field along the equatorial line is opposite direction. That value is this. Sometimes some textbook they using cos function and all that. That also, sir, how, if they ask, sir, how to do that? That is what? Any component, suppose if there is, if R is a resultant, if theta is an angle, this is what? This portion is what? R cos theta. This much portion is what? R sin theta. A resultant force can be split up into two components. One is horizontal direction, another is what? Vertical direction. R cos theta.